Welcome to my channel. Got a new Orbi RBE371 Wi-Fi 7 router? Let's set it up step by step in just a few minutes. Step 1. Unbox and connect hardware. Take out the router, RBE371, and satellites connect modem router, internet port, using Ethernet cable. Plug in power to both router and satellite. Wait until LED becomes stable, usually white-blue. Step 2. Download Orbi app. Install Orbi app, Android iOS, open the app and sign in create Netgear account. Step 3. Connect to Orbi network. Connect your phone to default Wi-Fi. Name and password printed on router label, or use QR code, if available. Step 4. Start setup in app. Open Orbi app, tap, set up new system. Scan QR code or select model manually. App will detect router automatically. Step 5. Configure internet and Wi-Fi. Choose connection type. Dynamic IP, most users, PPPoE, fiber users, set. Wi-Fi name, SSID, strong password. Step 6. Place satellite and finish setup. Place satellite in another room, mid-distance. Wait for sync, blue good, amber weak, complete setup in app. That's it, your Orbi Wi-Fi 7 mesh network is ready. Like and subscribe for more tech guides. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.